These red pandas are really good out in the snow here. We're using the OPPO Find X3 Pro. You can really control the camera on this phone. It's got a lens array with several different focal lengths, which is great because then we can compress distance because we can't go in the exhibit with the pandas. You can go telephoto, medium, or really wide. And then there's another lens for microscope, which is good for feather details and that kind of thing. Oh, they're so cute. So they moved a little farther away. I'm gonna go to telephoto. Look at that, it's great. Just because you've got a great phone doesn't mean that you should be shooting all the time. Put some thought into it. Have a clean background, nice light, something interesting. Those are all really the building blocks of a good photo. That's so sweet. These are Humboldt penguins, and they are both loving swimming and hungry for fish. This phone has a cinema mode for video that does 4K. And it's super easy to use. You can control the settings yourself, which is great. They are so cute. And it just works right out of the box. I mean, seriously, you can do slow motion. It's really beautiful. Super high res. And man, it's just irresistible. So this is one of the coolest birds in the whole world. This is Terry, the rhinoceros hornbill. And let's just see how we do here, okay? The colors on the Find X3 Pro are fantastic, and it shoots RAW files, which is a big deal. This is a truly professional grade file that we can then use to make prints. And we can set the professional features on here too in the expert mode. So I've set the shutter speed, I set the white balance, and the ISO. And that's all there is to it. You have a great bird, makes for good pictures.